Wow. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, go again. Yeah. Yeah, you did. Grabe, ang taas niya na. Go show grandma. Ni watch it daw. Asan si Jade? Pumasok na naman? Ni manood ka. Wait ka. Yes ko naman. No, Jelana, you need to go upstairs there. All the way to the end, Jolene. Then you can reach it there. Yeah, go. Yeah. Yan doon pala yung tiyaga. May tiyaga pala dun. Oh! Oh! Kapit! Hang on tight! No, you don't need to close your eyes. You're tough. It's okay. Oo nga. Ang taas yan eh. Over there. She went in baseball. Whoa. Did you tell grandma? Yeah, somebody has to help her, anak. Come on, Jolene. I'll pay you. Matamaan ka dyan, mother. Yung Makati dyan, may Makati dyan eh.
Pwede naman niyang iganon sa ano niya.
Oo nga, gawin niya nga.
Ba't ayaw niyang iganon? Ang taas-taas na nga.
Oh, wow! You're so tough. You're tough, girl. I know, you almost hit Jewel. Okay, go now. Habang nandun siya. Oh, you're done? Okay. Do you wanna do it, Julene? Okay, give it to Julene then. Okay, one more. Ang dami naman nakahoy na. Hello, Mikay. Jelana, go now with Julene. Okay, give it to Julene, ha? Ala ko, wala namang oras pa. Pag may time, hindi naman ganun kadaling magputol. Not yet. Not yet. Come on. Ready. Oh, wow. Jade! Where's Jade go? Napana ni Jade na. Oh, she went to daddy's. Jade, you want your zip line?
Gusto mo ba yung puti naman pag nandito ka sa bahay naman? Yung kulay na may dasang gamitin mo?
Oopsies. Siyempre. Okay, Jelana, come on. Are you ready so you can go up in the wood? Yeah. No, yes, you can. No, it's okay. I can hold you. It's that's all right. I'll hold you. Okay.